Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this class, we are going to discuss obtaining inverse Laplace transform of a function by using convolution theorem. Here, the given function is s divided by s square plus a square, the whole square. So, this function will be taken as f bar of s into g bar of s, which is s divided by s square plus a square, the whole square. Fine. So from here, if you want to take f bar of s and g bar of s separate, how you will be separating this function? In numerator, there is only one s. In the denominator, there are two s square plus a square as a product. Fine. So here in the denominator s square plus a square, and here it will be taken s square plus a square, no problem at all. But here there is only one s. Either you can keep it here or here. Okay. So what I do, I'll be taking f bar of s as 1 divided by, and this is s divided by. Fine. So we need to obtain its Laplace inverse to get f of t. Apply Laplace inverse on both sides. Then Laplace inverse of f bar of s is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square. This is nothing but f of t. F of t is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square. What is Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square? That is nothing but sine at divided by a. Fine. Then here Laplace inverse of g bar of s is equal to Laplace inverse of s divided by s square plus a square. Therefore, this can be taken as g of t. What is g of t? Laplace inverse of s divided by s square plus a square is nothing but cos at. Okay. So two results we got. One is f of t and another one is g of t. Then let us solve this example by using convolution theorem. Therefore, by using convolution theorem, which says Laplace inverse of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to integration of f of u into g of t minus u with respect to u, where u is equal to 0 to t. Fine. Therefore, Laplace inverse of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to integration between 0 to t of f of u. What is f of u? You can see here f of t is equal to sine at by a. Therefore, replace t by u to get f of u. Then it becomes sine au divided by a into g of t is equal to cos at. Therefore, g of t minus u is equal to cos a into t minus u. That with respect to u. Fine. Further, it will be equal to, you can take it as 1 by a integration from u equal to t sine au into cos of at minus au with respect to u. Fine. Therefore, in this case, if you see the thing, here it is a product of two trigonometric terms which cannot be solved directly. So what to do? Let us use a trigonometric property. As per that property, what it says, 1 divided by 2 times, already a is there, integration from u equal to 0 to t as it is. Sine. It is like sine a cos b. What is the sine a cos b result? Sine a cos b is nothing but sine a plus b plus sine a minus b divided by 2. That 2 is already taken. Then it becomes sine of a plus b means au plus at minus au plus second term sine of a minus b means au minus of this means it becomes minus at minus of minus plus au. Fine. This with respect to u as it is. Therefore, here au get cancelled. Therefore, it is 1 divided by 2a into integration between 0 to t. It becomes sine at because au get cancelled. Plus, this becomes sine of au plus au, that is 2au. 2 times au minus at, that with respect to u. Therefore, further, what to do now? This has to be integrated now. So, integration of this will be equal to, this is equal to, that is nothing but Laplace inverse of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to 1 divided by 2a into, you can see, integration of sine at. Integration of sine at. Don't say suddenly don't integrate sine at because this is integration of sine at. If you want, you can take one more step, no problem. It is integration of sine at with respect to u, where u is equal to 0 to t. Plus, second is integration from 0 to t of sine of 2au minus at with respect to u. Fine. So, which is equal to 1 by 2a. Integration of sine au with respect to u means what? Sine au is constant. Then integration of 1 with respect to u is u, where u is from 0 to t. Plus, integration of second term, integration of sine, that is minus cos of 2au minus at divided by this, that is 2a. Differentiation of this bracket, that is 2a between u equal to 0 to t. If you substitute upper and lower limit, this will be equal to 1 by 2a into sine au of t minus 0, minus will be taken out, then 1 by 2a into, substitute upper limit t. If you put t here in place of u, it becomes 2at minus at will be 80. So cos 80 minus, if you put 0 in place of u, then it becomes cos of minus 80. But cos of minus 80 is cos 80 only. Fine. Finally, this is equal to 1 divided by 2a. 1 divided by 2a. Here cos 80 gone. Therefore, 1 divided by 2a into t into sine au. Sine au. Sorry, 80. Sine 80. Fine. Therefore, Laplace inverse of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to t into